Building an email list sounds easy. Just add a form to your site, right? If only. Let's be honest, most forms go unnoticed, and pop-ups are annoying. Generic ones blend into the background and don't inspire engagement. You know what does? Gamification. Think of those spin-to-win wheels on big brand sites. They're fun, interactive, and effective because they tap into something universal. We love the thrill of winning. A spin-the-wheel pop-up sparks excitement, curiosity, and that dopamine rush that makes people motivated to play. It feels like an experience, not a hard sell. When visitors get their reward instead of seeing yet another promo, they're far more likely to act. The only problem? These kinds of gamified experiences used to be expensive and time-consuming to build. Until now. One of the easiest ways to get started is a spin-to-win pop-up. It's a lucky wheel that turns website visitors into buyers, makes first-time visitors want to engage, and, best of all, it's ridiculously simple to set up. No developers, designers, and huge budgets. Here's the deal. E-commerce brands using gamified pop-ups have seen conversions jump up by 400% compared to generic traditional pop-ups. Engagement's also shot up by 50%, which means more people are actually paying attention. Gamified widgets are mostly popular in e-commerce, but work across industries as long as the prizes are appealing. For example, content makers can engage audiences with free premium content, while SaaS companies can offer discounts for their plans or free trials. So, what do they get in return? Interactive experiences drive engagement and drive conversions. Gamified pop-ups incentivize sign-ups with game-like experiences and keep visitors engaged longer, reducing bounce. I wanted to see if gamification really works, so I searched for a website widget platform to create and launch a Wheel of Fortune on my website. Plenty of pop-up builders exist, but few offer gamification. And when they do, it's usually locked behind pricey plans. So when I found Claspo offering lifetime free full access to advanced features, including gamified pop-ups, I was greatly surprised. Let's see how it works. I want to add 2 gamified widgets to my website, a welcome pop-up for new visitors and an exit intent one to retain those about to leave. Claspo has an extensive library of over 1,000 pre-designed templates, including gamified ones. I'll use the gamification filter to save time and see the options we need. So I pick a ready-made spin-to-win template and go to the editor. Here I can customize the template, change the colors, images, tweak the text, button shapes, add my brand fonts, and make on-brand style. Easy. I can add a countdown timer to trigger FOMO and prompt action. Just drag and drop it into the template. Switch to mobile view to make sure everything looks clean and works smoothly on any device. Now, let's set up rewards. I can add prizes, set winning odds, and create unique promo codes. Want bigger discounts to appear less often? You're in control. To do this, I click the wheel, open the General tab, and select Edit Rewards. Then, I click Add Reward and choose between a percentage discount or a custom prize. Since discounts are already on my wheel, I'll pick Custom. In the details field, I can enter any prize like free shipping. Just don't forget to update the promo code to match. Now, let's make sure my spin the wheel pop-up shows up at the perfect moment. Everything looks good, so I save the design and head to the display rules. I want this welcome widget to appear for new visitors who have spent some time on the site. The default settings are simple and user-friendly. It shows once per session, pops up after 20 seconds on a page, and stops after a user subscribes. I'm mostly happy with these, but I want it to trigger after 20 seconds on the site, not just a page, and changing that takes just 1 click. Next, I scroll down a little further and activate the display for new visitors. So now, let's create an exit intent pop-up with different text and a new trigger, but the same general design. Instead of starting from scratch, we'll just copy the existing widget and tweak it. In the dashboard, go to Widgets, click the 3 dots on the desired pop-up, and select Copy from the drop-down, and then Edit. The welcome widget uses a floating box layout, but I want the exit intent as a pop-up. To change it, just select the option in the upper right corner. I'll update the widget text, and that's it. Let's move on to the display conditions. Since the display rules are copied from the welcome variant, we'll deactivate the time-based trigger and new visitor targeting, then activate the exit intent, and that's it. It's that simple. Overall, Claspo has many other targeting options, such as geolocation and UTM sources. There are also more advanced trigger options using the data layer for deeper personalization and targeting based on the site events and user behavior. If you want to learn how to use them, contact Claspo support. They're always available for help and additional guidance. Also, let me know in the comments if you'd like a step-by-step tutorial. Claspo isn't just about great-looking pop-ups. It's about making them work for your business. It integrates smoothly with the most popular ESPs, CRMs, and CMSs like MailChimp, Salesforce, and WordPress. No complicated setup, just a few clicks and we're good to go. Also, with webhooks and Zapier, we can connect Claspo to hundreds of other apps, ensuring our data flows exactly where we need it. We've set it up and are ready to roll out our Wheel of Fortune. But how do we know if it's working effectively? To measure the success of your spin the wheel pop-ups, start by tracking how they impact traffic. If you notice a spike in visits, it's a good sign your pop-up is grabbing attention. Next, look at how many leads you're capturing, emails and phones. If the numbers are low, your offer might need an upgrade. Conversions are another key factor. It's great to collect leads, but are they actually taking action, like making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter? If not, tweaking the incentive or timing could help. Also, pay attention to engagement. If many people interact with the wheel but don't complete the action, the prize or messaging might not be compelling enough. The good news is that Claspo has a built-in A/B testing tool, so you don't need to use an additional service. Testing different designs, prizes, or timing lets you compare results and see what works best. Ready to try spin the wheel pop-ups yourself? Here's how to get started right now. Simply search for Claspo on Google. Sign up with your email, social media accounts, Google or Shopify. You immediately get access to the free lifetime plan. It gives you unlimited access to the entire template library and all features, including advanced ones like gamification, multi-step forms, and smart triggers. Choose a template, customize it, and set up your spin the wheel pop-up in minutes. Integrate it with your ESP or CRM and publish the widget. So there you have it, a fast, free, and zero-code way to grow your email list with gamification. With Claspo's lifetime free plan, you can run 3 widgets on one site at the same time, with up to 30,000 page views per month. Need more? Choose a paid plan that fits your needs. The plans are affordable, and with my promo code, you'll get 20% off any monthly or annual plan. Don't miss.